Tuisonga na mbele kana nayo mbunge nene niwakulwa yikeethiwe kisyiiyi nthini wa kuukitana na muinyu wa Ulusani ivindani silikali yake President William Ruto yiendeeye kukua mbwaa kuukitana na Ulusani nthi ya Kenya. Munene wa maminista Musalia Mudavadi niwakulwa Ayumbe ala maendeeye kusukumiisya mitalatala ya kuola vinya wa kuukitana na Ulusani mekye itheke mitalatala kwa mituki ni kwithiwa tiw'o muungamo wa nthi ya Kenya kana President William Ruto livo tiumbanitwe niwe Benjamin Mwaka.
Ainene achathini cha kuvingwa mitalatala ya kiuthukumi ya nzama ya kulunga mituo na kuukitana na Ulusani kuma mwakani wa 2023 kufikia mwakani wa 2028. Mudavadi niwenda ona kutwika President William Ruto niwikasyiie kuola muinyu wa Ulusani va Kenya. Mbunge niambiisye kutungana itina vinya wa silikali kwisila maendeeye mamyao itekweleka.
There are two bills currently before the National Assembly which raise significant concerns in the ongoing battle against corruption. Both of those bills are titled the Anti-Corruption and Economic Crimes Amendment Bill 2023. One is proposed by Honorable Peter Kaluma and the other 6 amendments presented by Honorable Geoffrey Ruku. These bills, if passed and enacted into law, have the potential to reverse the progress achieved in the fight against corruption.
Miao umwe kuma kwa muyumba wa Mabei Town Peter Kaluma ulovanie kwikia ivilani atetimia na masola ma Ulusani na wakeli kuma kwa muyumba wa mbele ayulo Geoffrey Ruku ulavanie kwitikilasi ndongo isilikali ni kwikonya uthukuminwa imwe kwa imwe milatini ya silikali viwetwa vina kielelo cha kuola vina uthukumiwa EACC.
Honorable Kaluma's bill aims to amend the Anti-Corruption Economic Crimes Act of 2023 by removing the provision disqualifying individuals convicted of corruption or economic crimes from holding public office. On the other hand, Ruku's bill seeks to decriminalize certain aspects of public procurement, property disposal, contract tendering, fund management and expenditure. If these proposed amendments are accepted, they will open the door for individuals with corruption histories to hold public office and offer significant leniency to those inclined toward corrupt practices within the public sector. Therefore, I kindly request the 2 members of Parliament to consider withdrawing their bills. We must remember that we can only defeat corruption if we stand together in unity of purpose and effort.
Kuyanana na Mudavadi nikana muvia wasilo makwani no ile kutongosya nthini wa kwithukiasya makwani ma Ulusani ungwe vindanini vala ingi wakulya muvia wa volisi ondu mwana lo isalo DCI pamwe na ofisi wa mutongosya makwani ma mwene the DPP kutwika EACC kwisila ngwatu ni vakuvi thina umwe na umelu.
This unity of purpose is a concept we must fully embrace in our battle against corruption. We are all stakeholders in this fight: government institutions, civil society, the private sector, and every citizen. By standing united, we send a clear message that corruption will find no refuge in our land. The EACC is an independent commission, and it has a solemn duty to pursue justice without hesitation or bias. No individual, regardless of their position or influence, should be considered a sacred cow, immune to accountability.
Maofisa kuma zamani ya EACC ni makathi ya walanyo wa kiuthukumi wa miaka 5 yukite na iwetekana witungia kwa vamwe miao na nziamba ilusya kumina na muinyu wa Ulusani va Kenya.
There has always been noise that when we sometimes nab some powerful people, the next thing is that we are being misused politically. EACC is a very neutral, professional organization that works within the law, and we do carry out our mandate in a very neutral way without any political interference.
This issue is not going to be a one-man show. It is not an EACC matter. As we've been told, we are only about 700 people. who are working in EACC. We are 45 million, going to 50 million Kenyans. A significant percentage of those people are working day and night to steal our resources. 700 of us cannot stop them because we cannot be everywhere. But if we join hands, all of us, and we become intolerant to corruption wherever we are, we can get rid of this thing.
Vilengo wa mavo kumava musino ilomvi nye nito Benjamin Mwaka.